Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable Windows Hello Face as a sign-in option on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer, and revert back to just the password option or maybe a security pin if that's what your optional choices are. So that should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the accounts tile on this page. And then on the left side, you want to select where it says sign in options. On the right where it says Windows Hello Face, go ahead and select that. And if this was currently enabled, you can disable it down here and then revert to a different option. I don't actually have a camera connected or compatible with Windows Hello Face to demonstrate that, but you would just go underneath this setting here and disable it, and that's all you'd have to do. It's a pretty intuitive process. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.